Hello fellow travellers, welcome back to day 9 of our bus trip with Fun Tassie Tours. Today our guide Rob took us to the Iron Blow Lookout, which is located above Queenstown. Although beautiful, the lookout was also a reminder of the devastating effects of mining gold and copper. The land was scarred and devoid of tree life, but the colourful mineral deposits left vibrant stains on the rock walls, creating a unique and interesting sight. It was a sight to behold, especially on a sunny day when the colours were at their brightest. Rob drove very carefully down the steep descent. I felt very safe with his driving skills. We made our way to Lake Burberry boat ramp. This man-made lake was created in the early 1990s for hydroelectricity production. Stocked with both brown and rainbow varieties of the legendary Tasmanian wild trout, this spot is a great destination for fishing enthusiasts. We then visited Nelson Falls, located in the World Heritage Area. It was a great place to take a walk in the bush, and it quickly became one of my favourite spots of the trip so far. We had lunch at the famous Lake St. Clair Lodge before heading to the wall in the wilderness. Here we learnt about the talented artist Greg Duncan, who carved the history of the local Tassie pioneer lumberjacks. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to take any photographs or videos, so you will have to see it for yourself to appreciate its beauty. This is a wooden water pipe. You can actually see how it's coming out. It's a little leak, but it's almost 100 years old, and it's wood slates and metal holding it together. In the afternoon, we arrived at the old hydro township of Tarraleah. At the lookout, we looked down the mountainside to the valley below to see the hydro power station, and then we had hours to explore the beautiful gardens. The rhododendrons were in full bloom, and they came in every colour imaginable. It was a lot of fun walking around the gardens and taking in the beauty of the flowers. Rhododendrons grow well in colder areas. It was clear that they thrived in this beautiful location. We will continue our adventure tomorrow as we head to the Derwent Valley. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on our trip with Fun Tassie Tours.